you are going to love the 2017 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, MP3 player, child safety locks. Come take a test drive today.